Assalamu alaikum dear student. Today we'll solve exercise 34. Number 1. Number 1 says simplify 3 whole 1 by 3 multiplied by 10 whole 1 by 2 divided by 1 whole 3 by 4. To solve this problem, at first we'll have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So look at this. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. So it should be 10 by 3 multiplied by 10 to the 20 plus 1, 21. 21 divided by 2. Divided by 4 1 is 4 plus 3, that is 7. Okay. Now, look at this. 10 by 3. By using Demar's rule, we know that we have to do the division at first, then multiplication. So, 10 by 3 multiplied by 21 by 2 multiplied by, if we want to convert this division into multiplication, then we have to do the reciprocal of 7 by 4. And we know that reciprocal of 7 by 4 will be 4 by 7. Now we have to divide. Look at this. 21 can be divisible by 7. It will be 3. 3 can be divisible by 3. So 3 and 3. 4 can be divisible by 2. So it will be 2. So here at last we will get 10 multiplied by 2, that will be 20. So 20 will be our final answer. Now, number 2. Number 2 says simplify AB divided by thrice x multiplied by xy divided by 4z divided by 2a by 5z. So, just you have to convert this division into multiplication, nothing else. Look at this. AB divided by thrice x, it will be unchanged, multiplied by xy divided by 4z, and we have to just convert this division into multiplication. So instead of division we have to write multiplication, and reciprocal of 2a by 5z will be 5z by 2a. 5z by 2a. Now we can divide a by a, z by z, and x by x. And at last we get by5 will be on numerator and denominator 3, 4, 2. So at numerator we get 5by and denominator we have 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. So 5by divided by 24 will be our final answer. Now number 3. Number 3 says a rectangle measures 4 whole 1 by 2 meter by 3 whole 1 by 2 meter. Find its area in square meter. We know that if this one is a rectangle, that means then this will be length, this will be breadth. Then area will be the inside part. This part will be called area. And we know that area of a rectangle will be length multiplied by breadth. By using this formula, we can easily solve this one. So here area will be, you know that there is one is length, another one is breadth. So area will be 4 whole 1 by 2 multiplied by 3 whole 1 by 2. And the unit will be meter square. So we have to convert this mixed into improper. So 4 2 is 8 plus 1, 9 multiplied by 2 3 is 6 plus 1, 7. Now we'll get our final answer by multiplying these two fractions. 9 7 is 63 divided by 2 2 is 4. So 63 by 4 meters squared will be our final answer. And we can convert this one into mixed fraction by dividing 63 by 4. 4 1 is 4. So we have remainder, that is 2. So we have another 3 here. And 4 5 is 20. So 3 will be our remainder. At last we get our final answer 15 whole 3 by 4. So 15 whole 3 by 4 will be our final answer. A boy spends 2 by 7 of his money in a shop. What fraction of his money has he left? When this type of question will come, then you will think that the total money is 1. Why total money is 1? That means 1 is the whole part. Okay. 1 is the whole part. Then what will be the remaining? So remaining money will be 1 minus 2 by 7. So 7 on the 7 minus 2. So 7 minus 2, that will be 5 by 7. And that will be our final answer. Suppose this is the total money. Okay, this is the total money. And in this total money, there is 2 by 7. Look at this. So if I divide this one by 7 part, actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you will get there is total 7 part. Okay. And he spends this money. That means 2 by 7. Then what will be left? This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 out of 7. That means 5 by 7 of his money will be left. Clear? Okay. Now next question. Number 5. Number 5 says Mary is half as old as Jill, and Jill is 1/3 as old as Jane. Express Mary's age is a fraction of Jane's age. So at first we can say in this way. From the question we can say Mary's age is half as old as Jill. According to the question, we can write this. And Jill's age is 1/3 of Jane. 1/3 as old as Jane. So instead of Jill, we can put this value. Then what will be the final one? Mary will be, or the Mary's age will be half multiplied by 1/3 multiplied by Jane. So now we have to solve only this part. 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2. So it will be 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 Jane. So we can express in this way, Mary is 1/6 as old as Jane. Now number 6. Number 6 says Anne spent 1/3 of her money in one shop and 1 by 2 of the remainder in a second shop. What fraction of her original money has she left? So at first we have to say that total money will be 1. Okay, when we'll see this type of thing, then we'll say total money or total part will be 1. 1 is the whole part. And Anne spends 1/3 of her money in one shop. So in one shop, she spends 1/3 of her money. Now she spends 1 by 2 of the remainder. That means we have to find out the remaining money. So after spending 1/3 of her money, the remaining money will be 1 minus 1 by 3. That will be 3 1 3 minus 1. So that will be 2 by 3. Okay. Okay. Now she spends 1/2 of the remainder. So remainder means what? 2 by 3. So now in second shop, she spends, she spends 1 by 2 of 2 by 3. So 2 1 2 and 2 3 is 6. So in second shop, she spends 2 by 6 of her money. That means 1 by 3 of her money. Okay. That means Anne spends 1/3 of her money in first shop and 1 by 3 of her money in second shop. So 1/3 plus 1/3 she already spent. So what will be left? That will be our final answer, because the question asks you what fraction of her original money has she left. Now we can write in this way. She spends in total 1/3 plus 1/3 of her money. So 1/3 plus 1/3, that will be 3, will be the LCM. So 1 plus 1. So answer will be 2 by 3 of her money. So what will be left? She has left equal to 1 minus 2 by 3 of her money. So it will be 3 on 3 minus 2. That will be 1/3 of her money. So 1/3 will be our final answer. So 1/3 of the original money has she left. Now number 7. Number 7 is find the value of 3 by 11 of pound 67.21. So this is very simple. 3 by 11 of 67.21. So it will be better if we multiply 3 and 67.21 at first. 3 1 3, 3 2 6, then the point. 3 7 21, we have 2. 3 6 18 plus 2, that will be 20. Divided by 11. Now we have to divide. So how can we divide? Look, 201.63 divided by 11. 11 1 11. Remainder is 9, 91. So 11 8 88. We have 3 as remainder. So 36. So we have to give a point. Then 11 3 33. Then remainder is 3. There is a 3 here. So 11 3 33. Okay. Then 18.33 pound will be our final answer. So 18.33 our final answer. Now number 8. Number 8 says a floor measures 4 meter by 3 meter. Find the cost of carpeting the floor at 3.375 pound per square meter. So here the measurement is given. So what will be the area of this floor? So area of this floor will be 4 multiplied by 3 meters square. 4 multiplied by 3, that will be 12 square meter. Now we have to find out the cost. So total cost. Total cost will be pound 12 multiplied by 3.375. Now we have to multiply. How can you multiply? We'll write 3.375 at first. So 3.375 multiplied by 12. At first, 2 5s are 10, 0, 1 will be there. 2 7s are 14 plus 1, 15, 1. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7. 2 3s are 6, 0. Then 5, 7, 3, 3. Now we have to add. 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 5, 0, 1 will be added on next column. Then it will be 15, 1 will be added. So 10, 1 will be added. So for 4, 0, 5, 0, 0. And we have a point before 3 digits. So at last, when we write the answer, we have to put this point before 3 digits. So pound 40.5 will be our final answer. Because after 5, this 0 has no value. So we don't need to give it. But if you want, you can give. You can give 2 0 or you can give 1 0. Okay, both are correct. No problem. Now, number 9. Number 9 says 5 by 9 of 13 hours, 30 minutes. So 5 by 9 of actually represents the product. 13 hours, 13 hours, 30 minutes. 13 hour, 30 minutes. 13 hour means 13 multiplied by 60 plus 30 minutes. 13 multiplied by 60, that will be 0. 6 3 is 18. We have 1. 6 on the 6 plus 1, 7 plus 30 minutes. So 780 plus 30, that is 810. So 5 by 9 of, instead of this one, we can write 810 minutes. So we can divide 81 by 9, that is 990. So 5 multiplied by 90 minutes, that means 450 minutes. So 450 minutes will be our final answer. And if we want to keep our answer in hour and minute, then we can also convert. How can we convert? Look at this. We can divide 450 by 60. So 450 by 60. If we want to divide, then we can say 6 7 42. So 60 multiplied by 7, that will be 420. What will be the remainder? 30. Then this 7 will be hour and 30 will be minutes. So final answer will be 7 hour 30 minutes. Now, number 10. Number 10 says, find the value of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. So at first, we have to do the addition. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. LCM will be 6. So 6 divided by 2, that will be 3, plus 6 divided by 3, that will be 2. Divided by LCM of 2 and 3 will be 6. 6 divided by 2, that will be 3, minus 6 divided by 3, that will be 2. So 3 plus 2, that means 5 by 6, divided by 1 by 6. Now look at this. How can you solve it? 5 divided by 6 multiplied by 6 divided by 1. Because if we want to convert this division into multiplication, then we have to find out the reciprocal of 1 by 6. That is 6 by 1. So we can cut 6 and 6. Then 5 by 1 will be our final answer. So at last we can write 5. It will be better if we write in this way. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon on next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Fi Aman.